The Sealey two-piece wireless LED trailer light set is a quick and easy way to get essential lighting functions on your trailer with no wiring required. It's suitable for metal trailers and farming vehicles up to 20 meters long. The light clusters can be easily installed using their strong magnetic base. Simply plug the transmitter into the 7-pin socket on your vehicle and turn the light cluster on. They will then pair with your vehicle and be ready for use. The lights perform 5 functions: brake lights, rear turn signal lights, rear position lights, license plate lights, and return reflectors. There's also a handy battery level indicator, making it easy to monitor and maintain the charging status of your lights. The TS18LEDW is supplied in a tough storage case and includes a dual USB cable that allows you to charge both light clusters at the same time. The Sealey TB18LEDW two-piece wireless LED trailer light set. Another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range. For other videos and how-to instructional guides, please visit our website at www.sealey.co.uk.